It's slow going for drivers on the QEW in Beamsville Friday morning after a tractor-trailer carrying fuel rolled over near the highway. Ontario Provincial Police say the tanker truck rolled into a ditch near South Service Road and Victoria Avenue around 8 in the morning. As a result, officers had closed the QEW in both directions between Victoria Avenue and Ontario Street. The Niagara-bound QEW remains closed, as well as South Service Road as crews clean up. Burlington OPP are investigating reports of a driver who failed to remain at the scene before the collision.
Reports initially of vehicles racing prior to this collision taking place.
No injuries have been reported at this time.